Okay, this chapter, let's talk about the attribute alignment of fixtures and locate store. Let's first talk about attribute alignment. What does this alignment mean? For example, if we adjust the parameter of a certain fixture now, then align a set of fixtures with the attributes of this fixture. Let them all maintain the same attribute parameters. Taking this power light as an example, I am currently selecting a power light. Then, after lighting it up, through this wheel, I adjusted the parameters of this power light. Adjust to the color I want. After adjusting to this color, I want all the remaining power lights to maintain the same color as this power light. But if we adjust them together, it's quite troublesome. We need to remember the numerical value of this color, then select the light and perform some complex operations such as turning it on normally. So we can use the feature of attribute alignment. But when using this feature, please note, now I want to make all the remaining power lights align with the power light I have selected. When performing this operation, we need to reselect the fixtures. First, select this power light whose attributes have been changed. Then select the remaining fixtures. After selecting, click on Link a single attribute in the bottom left corner. Switch to Link all attribute. This means that when we align an attribute, all other attributes will also be aligned together. Because the remaining lights are not on now, we not only need to align the color of the power lights, but also the dimming and other attributes of the power lights must be aligned. So after switching to Link all attribute, select any attribute. For example, clicking on this green attribute. After coming in, there's an alignment here. Click on it. We can see that the remaining lights will quickly align with all the attributes of the first light I selected. But we need to remember, after aligning, remember to change Link all attribute back to Link a single attribute. If still linking all attributes, you will find that you turn a wheel. The values of the other wheels will also change. Returning to the content of lighting control. Then let's talk about store and locate. What does storage locate mean? Normally, after we complete patching fixtures, when we press the locate button, the fixtures will maintain the corresponding channel values according to the locate values you set when writing the light library. If I want to keep the lighting in other states when locating, or maintain other colors, for example, beam lights, after installation, we press the locate key to emit light. The light positions are uneven. We need to adjust them one by one to keep the beam in a position that is relatively convenient for programming. Then we can use storage positioning to store the position of the beam light after fine-tuning. So every time we locate, the beam lights will be in a more reasonable position. We don't need to fine-tune it individually every time. Saves us time. Let's take this example. Now let's change the color of the light after locating. We changed it to white every time we locate. Then we first set the color attribute of the light to white. After adjusting to white, first click the Store button on the keyboard. OK, and then click the Locate button. The system will prompt you that the location has been saved successfully. Let us check if it is successful. Then we select these lights. Then click the Locate key. We can see that the light is now white. This represents our locate operation, saved successfully. OK, this chapter, let us stop here for now.